tutorial was created to help one of our customers to deal with file names. You will find the link to the original question in the video description. So basically what he wanted to do, he wanted to get rid of these characters and replace them with English or Latin letters. So first step is to set the target and source folder variables. Then we loop over the files in the folder using mask. So it is a variable. We save the file name into variable called loop value. Then we get the file metadata. We want to extract the clear file. Basically, it is just a file name without directory. Okay, and the last step, we just copy the file, and we use calculated expression to calculate target file name. I can show it to you. It's rather easy. So we get the clean name, save it in the file names, then we replace the letters, characters, and we set and we return the target folder plus file name. You will find the text of the calculation in the video description. So let me just run it. Just show you that target folder is empty. So I run it. And we'll see what happens. Okay, and we go to target folder, and as you can see, everything is renamed as expected. If we want to replace something else, all we need to do is to tweak this script. It's rather easy. And run it again. Job is done. Okay, thank you for watching. As usual, if you have any questions or suggestions, please go to our support forum and we will do our best to help you. And of course, please like and subscribe. Thank you, bye.